Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to a new video. Well, as you've seen in the title, we're talking about Python today, and I want to share my top 10 reasons for learning Python. If you are a 3D artist, then I think it's almost a must for you to get into it, right? It kind of ensures that you will actually have a future. And if you're wondering why, well, stick around and follow my top 10, okay? So let's start with number one. Well, first of all, Python is very easy to learn and use. One of the reasons for that is that the syntax is very simple and clear, and it reads almost like plain English. That makes it an excellent first language for aspiring programmers. So if you want to go on after that and learn other languages, great. But Python, as you will see in this list, is the choice to make, in my opinion. It allows you to focus on the logic and problem solving rather than the complexity of the syntax, okay? Now, Python is in high demand and there are quite a lot of lucrative career opportunities out there, right? Python is one of the most in-demand programming skills globally, and it has a consistent high number of job openings for roles like data scientist, software engineer, and machine learning engineer. And that demand also translates to competitive salaries, or in other words, money, money, money. The versatility of Python across industries. It's also known as the Swiss Army knife of programming languages, right? Python is used in a vast range of applications like web development, data analysis, AI, scientific computing, and task automation. And especially don't forget AI, right? You might argue that AI can actually create Python code, but if you are in the field of AI, then you need to understand what AI is doing, right? In other words, interpret the code and understand the logic and see if AI is not hallucinating. And if you don't think that that's a thing, look it up. Python is the de facto language for data science and AI, thanks to powerful libraries like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. Learning Python provides a direct path to these fields, and if that is something that you're interested in, then Python is the way to go. Number 5. Python has a vast ecosystem of open source libraries and frameworks that accelerate development and make complex tasks easier. The fact that Python is open source is key here. Examples include Django and Flask for web development, and this is a funny one, matplotlib, I had to look that one up, and Seaborn for data visualization. Number 6. Python has a massive global community, which means abundant learning resources, tutorials, forums, you need it, it's out there, right? Things like Stack Overflow and Reddit communities, and opportunities for collaboration as well, which is invaluable when you're learning a new skill. The community has always been very, very important. Python is open source and the community has always been very much involved in the development of the application. Number 7. Python is used by major tech companies like Google, Netflix, Spotify, Dropbox. They use Python extensively in their infrastructure and services, a testament to its power and scalability. And believe it or not, but Python is also used in outer space. Pretty neat, right? Number 8. Python encourages writing readable, well-organized code through its clear structure and official style guide. And that has been documented in PEP 8. And if you don't know what PEP 8 means, that was the Python enhancement proposal, number 8, which is very early on. And yeah, it's very important to them and to the community that it's very well readable, right? It helps you to build good habits that are transferable to other languages and larger projects. All right, well, number 9. Now, Python excels at automating repetitive tasks such as web scraping, generating reports, and sending emails. But it can also be used in a 3D environment. If you have repetitive tasks that need to be done, let's say in Maya or in Blender, you can do that. You can actually even code something in Maya and then transfer it to Blender and use it there. So it's very, very versatile, right? It can save significant time and increase efficiency in your professional life. And then finally, number 10, and this is probably the most important, right? Future-proof skill. Python has demonstrated significant staying power and continues to grow in new and emerging fields like quantum computing and blockchain. Its adaptability ensures that the skills you learn today will remain relevant for many years to come. Keep in mind that Python is the #1 coding application today. Okay, everybody, well, you saw my top 10 on why I believe you should learn Python. Hopefully that got you intrigued, and if so, you will find Python content on my channel in the future. Hopefully you will check that out, right? That's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.